All right, so we made it here, not without incident, but we're here. A little bit of truck problems, but we're teched in. We got here. Here is Rockingham for the Sick at the Rock event, and we are doing the streetcar challenge that they got. So some money to win, hoping we get some of it. Pretty cool setup, which we can get into a little bit more. Check out their website as well, but we got the car teched in, new plugs in it. Did some stuff with the shifter as far as the tuning goes. Changed the tune for the 350 gear to what I hope equates to about the same. Lower the starting line RPM, as well as add a little bit more timing retard to the start. So hoping that it yields pretty much the same 60 foot on the same setting on the trim pot dial on the dash. So with any luck, we can at least go close to 120. Anything I would be happy with, because really I want to make a pass, make sure it feels good, make sure it shifts, everything works as it should, and then we'll worry about turning it up and trying to go a little bit faster, but baby steps. So we should be next up, or one of the next ones up. They're gonna do some radial prep, but we're all set other than tire pressures and putting some safety gear on. So see you out there. So a quick time slip read of a not so quick pass. 132 to a 60 foot. The 330 was a 334. Eighth was only a 491. Almost 155, so that was kind of cool. The rest of it doesn't really matter, but we need to hit it harder, I think. Again, with so many changes we made, especially with the rear gear, I kind of went back to what I was running prior with that rear gear, so last year, but we have a different blower, and this blower is a little lazier down low at that 4,200 to 5,000 RPM range, so we're going to put more in it, probably another 200 RPM at it, and maybe a little less timing retard, just to try to get it back into the 20s to kind of see where we're actually at. With not having much power in it, the converter's really tight, so we're going to put the more power in it to make the converter effectively looser. And if that doesn't work, I do have an extra stator in here. I don't feel like changing it, so I'll probably play with the dump valves, but I think really our goal here is just to see what we can do with a little more power, or a lot more power out of the hole, and see what it can do. So they're running through the classes again, and we'll be back up here shortly. keep putting it in neutral instead of park because things changed. It's gonna take a minute, but we'll get there. It went a little faster, not great, but we did go a 121 60 foot. It's kind of what I was targeting, but it was only a 319 and a 476 at 155 again. So not sure. We're gonna look at the RPM drop and see what that is, and if we get another one today, maybe play with the dump valve if I can make all that work, and yeah, see if that works. Deja vu. They're in the exact same thing. Pretty much all the way down the sheet. So, pull a log and see why. It should have went faster, but it didn't. It's at least another degree and a half of timing, I think. So, figured it would have went a little faster. Maybe the air changed, so we'll check that too. So, yeah, we'll get back to you. So, we're gonna do some big changes. We're gonna change the gear set and lower the shift RPM so that we can get more boost earlier and keep more boost in it all the way down the track and hopefully go faster. Because I mean 470s isn't slow, I guess, but after a while it feels slow. So we gotta do what we can to go faster. So that's what we're gonna try. We're here to test and maybe take home money, but I think more to test. So we're in the lanes right now. Hopefully make our fourth pass. We did that gear change, went from a 140 blower gear to a 145 blower gear, and guessed on the tune-up again because that's all we can do. We haven't done this anything near this combination before with this gear set. So lowered the shift points, tried to tighten up the the drop on the converter or on the shift, and we're just trying things because that's how you go faster. If you don't try something, you'll never go faster. I'm sure somebody told me that. I'm sure I didn't come up with that on my own, but I'm gonna stick with it. So we're gonna try this. If that doesn't work, we're gonna try something else and just keep trying until we get something. And but hopefully this is it. We got to get lucky once in a while. So hopefully luck is on our side. We make a decent A to B or fast A to B, faster than we've been, and go from there. That felt better. Not a personal best or anything, but definitely felt a lot better. 117.8 to the 60 foot, a 306 to the 330, a 459, and almost 159. So, yeah, finally, we did something. That's, obviously I went that 48, but other than that, I've only gone 50s like twice. So, that's pretty exciting for just guessing at something. We, obviously we'll look over the data. I know it'll take more. So that's a step in the right direction. Even if we did this all weekend, I feel pretty confident where we could finish as the class or whatever we're doing. But yeah, that's finally. Like I said, we just wanted to get lucky once. Well, we finally did it. So yeah, now we just improve on that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.